So I am in Joseph and I'm going to check out their home section to see if they have anything in store for home. So hopefully if they have any houseware stuff, I'll check them out. Alright, so curtains and stuff are upstairs, so let me check them out and see. Alright, so to my right, she said, oh, in here I don't really have no whole heap of stuff, but just to looks, curtains are here. And there's a small set of curtains. It's not a wide variety. It's mainly 2,300. This is 2,300. This is 1,919. 8,000, 18, about 8,000, 1,800, 2,300. So, seeing this trolley as well. Not sure if it's a sale or their storage, but they have washing machine rack, 4,600. 4,600. They have sleepy time cushion, guys. Let me tell you something about this cushion. This is 3,600 and this one is 3,600. Sleepy time, I think the factory is a sleepy time factory is on Manningsville Road. Them have a pillow factory on Manningsville Road as well, guys. Most of the places, yes, sleepy time, Manningsville Road. See there? 97 Manningsville Road, guys. When I went to the hotel, most of the hotel I go to, when I check the pillow and the brand is sleepy time. You can go there and get the quality. They have them in firm, soft. They have them in king, queen, so you can go there and get the comfort. This clock is nice. 2,650. I hope this music not loud and overpower my video, you know, so even when we reduce the background noise, you know, because I don't want to get copyright. This one is 1,400. Cushion covers. Wow. $400. This is beautiful. $400. This is beautiful. My friend would love this. $400. That's pretty. I don't like them one here. But $400 for cushion covers. Them have bathroom mats as well from $1,000, $850, 4,700, 1,000. Oh gosh. And here, kitchen mats as well. Wow, bless you. Them have ironing board, $8,000. I saw something here. So these are what, love seats, sofa covers. Let me arrange over the sofa. 7,300 sofa covers. These are sheet, soft touch wrinkle resistance. This is what, 5,400. This is 5,400. This is king as well. So kings are 5,400. 9,050 for this queen. So this is what, cover match fitted sheet, 1,100. Them have towel set here as well. Like this set, 350 each. Almost each. Yeah, almost each. Yeah, 350 for one. Could never the set for 350. Yeah, 350 for one. Oh, this music coming not gonna work. These are coverlet. and these prices are 5,100. These are like, wow. Guys, you hear me talk about container so many times. 1,200 off of this set. I have some extra ones for when the family them come over. Bread bean 5,200. Bowl set 2,500. $1,400. Long time I not see thermos. $1,850. Muffin pan $1,500. Cake pan $800. Yeah, so you see roasting pan $1,700. Water dispenser, food shopper. So guys, you see these little places, you can come and get some stuff. $2,700. This set here, 20 piece. Not seeing a price on this set. So rice cooker. This is one mini rice cooker. Nice. $2,900 for this mini rice cooker. Shower curtain $2,100. Let me see if this is affordable here. $1,800 for this drying rack. I don't remember how much I saw it for at Maxi, but I'll see if I can put the price down below and compare it. This bottle opener is $600. $400 for 2-piece rack set, kitchen curtain. So scoops. Yeah man, you can come on and get some little stuff if anything. Diffuser. So much for them diffuser here. Not seeing any price. Oh, $2,100. They have diffusers for $2,100.